how to access Seedance 2.0 and VEO 3.1 for free. Seedance 2.0 is one of the top AI video generators right now, and some people cannot access it, especially those in US. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you how to access it for free. I'm not talking about the fake Seedance 2.0. It is the real Seedance 2.0. You're accessing it for free and unlimited. Now, watch the full video. Make sure you watch the full video, because at the end of this video, I will be giving you the tips, for you accessing it consistently and unlimited. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this particular video, it is how to access Seedance 2.0 and VEO 3.1 for free. All right, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment on the comment section. Let's head over. Let me show you how that is done. You can use your phone, your laptop, your laptop, desktop, whichever one you have, whatever device you have that has browser. Let's head over. Go to your browser, whichever phone you're using, access your browser and type in VEO AI free. Okay, you click on it, it opens up this way. All right, now if any ad popped up, all right, what you need to do is just click on it. Okay, just like it popped up right now, you click on it, you allow it. Okay, let me zoom it a little bit so you see. Please view a short ad. You click on the ad, right? Now it comes out this way. Immediately you see close. Okay, it doesn't take, this ad does not take up to a second. You just take it out. Any ad that comes in, you click on close and take it out. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to log in. This is my phone. You need to log in. I've logged in. After logging in, this is how it looks. I'm using my phone to access this. Okay, you can use any device of your choice. All right, now it's already logged in. Okay, now you click ad popped up. What are you clicking on? All video generators, and this pops out. Now these are all video generators, different of them, but I will be zooming them close for you to see. Okay, you see this is AI video generator from text, Grok. Okay, you see Seedance. This is the one we are interested in. Okay, this is Seedance. Click on see more. This pops up again, close it. It comes out this way. All right, I have been generating with this. All the you saw down here is video I generated. Okay, so you click on the prompt part, which is here. All right, shift it to this side and click here. This is where you get to see, choose the landscape, the ratio, and you see we have Seedance and Seedance 2.0, but I will be choosing Seedance 2.0. That is the highest. Then you paste your prompt, okay, and click on send. It starts generating immediately. All right, you can see it is already generating. Now we will be trying VEO 3. We will be trying generating image to video equally on this tool. All right, now it has generated. Okay, you click on the three dots, preview it, then you download it. Okay, it has generated my video. The three dots here, click on it and download. It is downloaded. All right, now we have you have seen the Seedance 2.0. Let's go for VEO 3. You see VEO 3 up there, click on it. It takes you to VEO 3. All right, it takes you to VEO 3. Then this is the prompt where you paste the prompt. I will be pasting the same prompt. Okay, I will be pasting, then I'll paste the prompt here. All right, change my ratio, landscape. Okay, that is all. Then you click on generate. It generates your video. All right, now we generate your video. We have tried Seedance 2.0 and VEO 3.1, and they are all text to image. We will be trying the image to video aspect of it. All right. Now it is almost there. We have about 17 seconds it is generating. 20 seconds, 20%, sorry. So it is generating. All right. We have to wait for it to be done with the generation. Now it is done. Click on the three dots and download it. All right. It is done. Now we want to access image to video. For that, what you need to do is go up, 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 up. You see all video generator. Again, yeah. You scroll up and look for the one you want. Okay, scroll up. Because it's phone, I have to zoom it a little bit so you get to see. Now, when you scroll up, you will be seeing image to video. Okay, this one, that is the image to video. You click on see more. What you're clicking on is see more. All right, see more. Now, if you have a laptop, I would say use a laptop. But if you do not, your phone is okay. I'm using phone anyway. So when this ad pops up, just click on close. You close it. All right. Now, once you click on see all, it comes out this way. Zoom it. All right. You see up there where you see photo to video up there. Click on it. Okay. That is when you'll be able to access this to image to video. All right. That is when you'll be able to access this to image to video. Now you can see image to image at the end. If you want an image to start, an image to end, fine. But if you do not want it that way, what you just need is upload one image, okay? And click here. All right, you can see we are using VEO 3 for our image to video. It is only VEO 3 that gives you image to video on this platform. Okay, Seedance gives us only text to video. All right, now let me just pick an image. What do I pick here? What do I pick? What do I pick? What do I pick? Let's go with this image I generated. Let's go with this. Okay, uploaded. All right, you allow it to upload. Now, when it uploads, okay, if you're using phone like me, zoom it back. You need to, you know, size it to what you want. All right, position it the way you want it, then click on upload. All right, click on upload. It enters. Okay, it has entered. Now you head over to this is my chat GPT. I'm looking for that particular image, the video prompt. So I think this is it. Thus, and you copy your video prompt. Okay, my video prompt is quite long. Okay, and with dialog, you copied it. You head back here and paste it on the prompt section. Paste it. All right, I'm trying to zoom it here. You're pasting it here. Then you click on generate. Remember the landscape? Then you generate, click it starts generating. So that is how you can access this tool on image to video. If you're going for image to video, this particular tool, and it is free. Now, how do you access it consistently for free? For you to access this particular tool consistently for free is ad keeps popping up. If you watch when we started, ad we are popping up. And when you want to access it, you are allowed when the ad pops up, just take your time and close it. Okay, give it a minute, add seconds. When the ad pops up, you watch it. It pops up, you watch it. That is how you allow it, or that is how you can keep having access to it. Now, it is actually one email, one mail, one what is it called? One email you can see that I use all through. All right, one email address, that is what I've been using to generate it. So but what you have to be noticing are things like this. This is an ad. Okay, you can see please watch, and this pops out. Okay, you wait for it. Immediately you see close, you take it out. You see the close, click on it, and it goes off. You continue your generation. So these are the things I will say you will be seeing on this tool. Like I said earlier, if you have a laptop, better. But if you do not, just manage it the way you are, the way I am right now on phone. Ad will always pop up. Just give it a second and click on close. Okay, see you guys on my next video.
Get out! Move! Window clear, coming through. Move! Move! Get him out! We need more water on the second floor.